The world is made of God, not of matter or of energy. God is what you, the world, and all things are. God is all of this. Look at an object in the environment or room that you're in. The table, the chair, the rug, the tissue box, the cup. Are you looking at God? If you don't see God, then you don't know what you're looking at. You don't know what that object really is. And you also don't know God fully either. You might know God in some partial way, but you don't yet experience full presence of God. Each of the objects around you right now is God's presence showing itself to you. To really know an object and to know God's presence are one and the same. So, if you could recognize what just one object really is, then you would see God's presence. Everything that is around you right now reveals God's presence, because God is what all of this is.